One-pedal driving is enabled through the car's settings screen and can be toggled on or off. When one-pedal drive mode is turned off, your electric Volvo will mimic the coasting and forward-crawling sensations of a traditional automatic transmission-equipped vehicle. When one-pedal drive mode is on, Volvo uses its electric motor or motors to slow or brake the vehicle anytime the throttle pedal is not applied. By lifting your foot, the vehicle will immediately begin to slow down. Just with forward motion, the speed and amount you back your foot off the throttle pedal will determine how much the vehicle begins to slow down. When regenerative braking is strong enough to slow the vehicle, your Volvo's brake lights will also illuminate to warn drivers behind you of your decrease in speed. It is important to remember that you may still need to use the standard brake pedal in the event of an emergency or when additional braking force is needed. One-pedal driving is not intended to replace the need to use the braking via the brake pedal. An added benefit of one-pedal drive mode is maximized all-electric range through energy-captured regenerative braking. Your electrified Volvo recovers kinetic energy during braking, which recharges the onboard battery and can provide an estimated 5 to 10% additional range depending on traffic, roads, and weather conditions.